Monday Q&A.
Yes. We got a great question from John. He is on the verge of selling his property and he's not sure what to do with his bathroom. He doesn't want to spend a lot of money. So he was wondering if we have some tips and tricks up our sleeve to how he can actually visually improve his bathroom, but very cost effective.
Okay, I mean, a couple off the top of my mind, a couple of really great things to think about. If you have a little bit of budget, maybe just think about changing your fixtures and fittings. Really not a massive investment, but overall can make such a great improvement in your bathroom.
Immediately. And go for the chrome ones. So if you have the white plastic or beige plastic ones, just replace them. If you have chrome ones, great, keep them. Another way is just to remove absolutely everything from your bathroom, even the shower. You know, so it's so sad. Sometimes we see in the most beautiful bathrooms, and on the photo there's a little pink squishy in the shower. Guess what's the thing you look at every time? See, I even remember the pink squishy. Is the pink squishy. You forget to look at the bathroom as a whole. So just remove everything out of your bathroom.
Another thing that can actually make a big difference is to re-grout your old grouting. Like if it's moldy and like black, just Bally's actually has these amazing grout pens that you can use. You know, give it a good wash, and you just fill in the grout, and it looks as if it's been tiled fresh and new.
So I think it comes back to being clean. So clean everything. Clean your shower screen, your bath. Just have everything sparkling.
And then, you know, you can dress it with maybe a beautiful ceramic or neutral color hand soap dispenser on the one side with a little, you know, succulent or artificial plant if you want in the bathroom next to your basin, if you have enough space on your basin.
Not your toothbrush. We don't want to see your toothbrush. So put them away. Roll up the floor rugs, okay? Most people ask me why. Like, I don't want to get into someone else's bathroom that I don't know and then step on their bath mats. It's really gross. So take them away, really. And also it makes the space smaller.
Yes. Once you cover up your floor, visually, it actually feels like, there's a lot less floor space that you can see, and therefore it feels more enclosed.
So the more tiles you see, the bigger it will feel. So show them your tiles, basically. And maybe another thing is using nice fluffy towels. Not the raggy ones you've been using, which is fine. But when people come to your home, just have beautiful, nice fluffy towels there.
That's right. And when you fold them, make sure that the seams are folded in so that you just have nicely presented towels, not towels flaring out everywhere.
We'll probably try and get a video link below that will show you how to fold them. All right. I hope that helped, John, and good luck selling.
All the best.
Bye. Thanks for joining our Q&A Mondays. We really hope you've learned something.
I mean, we're super passionate about helping people with any questions that they might have regarding styling for sale or decorating their own homes, you know, themselves. You know, why styling?
So post your questions below or email us at info@homeimprovementtraining.com and we'll be so happy to answer any questions you have.
That's right. Looking forward to it.
See you soon.
Bye.